Horses for the MMTCI Anniversary Stakes Race 2. We have Nana Bubu as the begin moving up. Lucky Gemari outside. Tis the Moon also moving up. Nawari outside is Angelicious. Then Palada Barari outside by Rumor also moving up now. Is number 10 Grand Jep also on the outside is Timber. And going along for the first turn we have Angelicious. The leader by about a half lengths. Lucky Gem in second. Tis the Moon in third. Nana Bubu on the outside port. And in fifth comes Timber. Then Palatawar on the outside. Moving up now is Miss Ocala. Running by the rail is number 10 Grand Jep, Rumored, Imperatus, Generative, Blue Mind Fury. And Baobab is running at the tail of the field. Down the back stretch they trouble. And it's still Angelus by a length. Moving up now on the outside is Atis the Moon. Lucky Gem dress back in third. Nana Bubu now to take third on the outside. Moving up now is Tinder. Miss Ocala comes next. Then followed by Grand Jep. And it's still Angelus moving up now. Tis the Moon now on the outside. Tis the Moon, Angelus. Here comes Miss Ocala on the outside third. The lead now belongs to Tis the Moon. Angelus is running by the Miss Ocala. Grand Jep also moving up now is Baobab down on the inside. Tis the Moon, Miss Ocala fighting out for the leader. Baobab now in third position. Generative also coming closer on the outside. But Tis the Moon still in front. Miss Ocala on the outside. Baobab now in third position. Miss Ocala, Tis the Moon. Baobab is running by the radar. It's now Miss Ocala, Tis the Moon. Baobab is lifting the lorry inside. Miss Ocala, Baobab, Miss Ocala, Baobab. And finally it's going to be Miss Ocala, Baobab, Tis the Moon, Generative. Then comes Blue Manchuri, Imperatus.
A close-up look to the unofficial winner, Miss Ocala, doing eclipse of 13 and a fraction, 23, 24 and a fraction, 25, finishing at 29 for a total time of 1 minute 55 seconds flat for 1,000.